Hello and welcome to Crafting with You, where I bring you a wide range of crafting tutorials and ideas. This is the second video in my holiday series where I'm going to teach you how to make these customized holiday ornaments. All you need is paper stock and some decorative accents and you've got yourself a customized ornament. If this is something you want to make, please follow along with me. Let's get started. Let's start with paper stock. I picked a few that I thought would make really cute ornaments, and for today's video, we're going to use this one. This is a corrugated paper, and I thought it would add a really nice texture to the ornament. So let's flip it over onto the back side, and then we need our oval template. And you see the measurements here on the screen. We're just going to trace around this oval and make as many as you can. I also added this line and make sure that your ovals are all evenly spaced on the paper. Once you're done, we're going to cut each one out and they'll look like this. There's another option to use a paper punch. This is my oval one. Of course, this is going to be a lot easier on your hands to use this punch, but if you don't have one, cutting it out is totally fine. If you want to get the same one as mine, this is the name of the brand. You need a foam ball to be the base of your ornament. Mine is a 3-inch sphere. I like this one because it has marks for where the top and the bottom of the ball is. And there's also a line that goes across the middle of the ball that can act as a guide mark. Once you have your oval cutouts and your foam ball ready, you're ready to start gluing. I'm using this mason jar lid as a holder so that the ball doesn't roll around the table as I'm trying to glue the ovals on. Grab one of your ovals. We're going to put some glue on that back side and start at the base of the ornament. We're going to place a total of 4 ovals on the bottom in a cross shape. The second one is now glued down. We're going to do the same thing for the third and the fourth piece. All 4 pieces are down, so now we're going to start the next row. You're going to start gluing them in those spaces right in between those 4. There you go. Now for the next row, we're going to glue the ovals side by side, and we're going to use that middle line as your guide to make sure they're all uniform. Keep gluing your ovals row by row until you get to the top. And here's the last piece. Make sure you leave a little room on the top so you can add your hook and your decorative accents. I like to add a variety of things to this area. Here are some of the things I picked up from the craft store, and I also got some greenery to add a pop of color. You're going to need something like rope, twine, or ribbon to act as your hook. I'm going to use some jute rope as my hook, so I just took a length, tied a knot at the end, and I'm going to use some glue and secure it right on that spot. Next, I'm going to take these mini berries and acorns, and I'm going to glue it down right at the base of the hook. And for the final touch, I added a bit of greenery for a pop of color. Your custom ornament is now complete. I did add a couple more sprigs here to make it look fuller, but I love the overall outcome. Here are 2 other ornaments I made using different paper stock designs. As you can see, varying the paper stock and what kind of greenery and accents you put on the top can really vary the look, and you can make it whatever you like. These ornaments are great to decorate your own tree, or you can even give them out as gifts. I hope you enjoyed today's tutorial. If you did, please give this video a thumbs up, and if you haven't already, please subscribe to my channel. I have many other holiday crafting tutorials on my channel, so please check that out when you have time. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time on Crafting with You.